Hey baby girls, welcome back to your favourite pedicure tutorial. Today I have my dad in the studio and I can't wait to restore his tired, dry feet. These are the worst feet I have done for a long time, so get ready for a satisfying pedicure transformation. So let's start off with how jealous I am of my dad's tan. He's just got back from Tenerife and I look so pasty compared to him. Anyway, I've soaked and exfoliated my dad's feet using Queso's Lime and Ginger Tingle Foot Scrub. So these feet take a lot of hammer. My dad is 60 and he's the hardest working man I have ever known. He does not stop and he struggles with cracked heels. So I start on the bottoms of the feet using my blade to remove all the thick dead skin layer. The feet are now soft, so the blade glides very easily over the hard skin, only removing the thick stuff, so this ensures I'm not taking too much away. Then when the blade feels it's no longer needed, I then go in with my foot rasp. This is where all the hard work begins, and I file the bottoms of the feet until they feel as smooth as possible. I can't tell you how much my arms hurt when I do this, but I guess it's good for those bingo wings. I then spray the foot using Queso's Mandarin Spritz. This cleanses the foot and removes all that dust. It also smells incredible. I then apply Sanctuary Spa Heel Balm and I work this into the bottoms of the feet, concentrating on those cracked areas in particular. I leave this to soak whilst I repeat the hard skin removal on the other foot. I then finish on the bottom of this foot and apply the Sanctuary Balm whilst I then move on to work on the toes. Can I just mention how good the bottoms of these feet look already? I use my nail cutters to trim the nails down. The cutters I'm using today are by a brand called Iv'e. These are the Beryl Basic Nips. I actually love these cutters. Yes, this is a fungal nail and I'll talk about this later. I then use my nail file and shape the nails so there are no sharp edges and they look really nice. For the fungal nail, I'm going to use a separate nail file. This is just to make sure there is no cross-contamination. We have just begun to start treating this nail, so hopefully it will look so much better in a few more months to come. I then go in with my cuticle tool. This again is by the brand Iv'e, and this tool is called Ethel. I can't tell you how satisfying this step is. It literally makes my mouth water. It's now time to go in and cut all that dead skin away from the cuticles. These are by the brand Iv'e once again, and these are called Helen. It's so funny that they've all got like female names of their instruments on their website. I find it so cute. I make sure to only snip away the dead cuticle and not touch any of the live skin. And shout out to all the Russians who hate my cuticle work. I'm sure I'll see you in the comments. Once the cuticles are all nipped away, I go in with my nail drill and thin the fungal nail. This has recently started becoming thicker, so we are now treating this area the best way we can. I then buff the rest of the nails with a nail buffer. I use the queso foot spritz once again just to remove all the nail dust. To remove any sock fluff, I use a tool by Iv'e called Martha. So, we have recently been using this little tool from Amazon, and it's called a phototherapy infrared light. The blue light is used to kill and damage the fungal cell wall. We set this for 7 minutes while I then work on the other foot. Once the light is done, I then use Shoal fungal nail treatment to then treat the fungal nail further. This helps to prevent spread of infection and reoccurrence. Once the nails are clean and tidy, I then finish with some cuticle oil. I'm using my favourite cuticle oil called CND Solar Oil. It smells like marzipan. I could actually eat this stuff. But I'm not a lunatic, so I won't. To finish this pedicure, I use Neal's Yard Remedies Comfrey and Mallow Foot Balm. It nurtures dry, cracked heels and hard skin using a blend of almond and wheat germ. Calming comfrey and soothing mallow. I absolutely love the smell of this also. And if you had forgotten how dry and cracked my dad's heels were, here's a reminder. Just look at the difference. They literally look like different feet. It keeps him going for a few months until he books back in to have his feet done again. Look at the toes and even look at that fungal toenail. It already is starting to look so much better. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.